My name is Gonzalo. I'm the Creator Partnerships Manager here at Creator Mill, and we help creators expand their audiences across other social media platforms. So the way we work is we help creators generate additional hands-free income streams from their already existent videos. We work mainly with a lot of YouTubers. When you're a content creator, you have a lot of work. You have to think about video ideas. You gotta take care of editing, manage all of your content, and look for better ways to expand your audience and always be thinking of new video ideas. One of the biggest issues that a lot of YouTubers face is trying to expand their content across other social media platforms. And that's where we come in. Basically, we help YouTubers expand their content to other social media platforms. So if you're a big YouTuber and you already have dozens or hundreds of videos, you don't have time to re-edit those videos. We help those creators by taking their videos, we edit their videos into the specific requirements that each social media platform has. We would also help our creators grow their Facebook page there. Or we also help creators by creating short form content like on YouTube Shorts or Snapchat. When our editing team finishes editing one of the videos, there's someone in our team that will need to review the video, make sure it's following all of the guidelines and make sure that there aren't any mistakes, because mistakes happen. And in the past, before we started working with Statusbrew, this process was very tedious because we would have our editing team send us the video, we'd have to download the video, and then we would have to look through the video. And if there were any mistakes, we'd have to send the video back, and then they would have to send us the video again, and it would go back and forth, and then we'd have to, once everything is okay, we'd have to manually upload the video to the social media platform. So this would take us a lot of time. Even if the video was right, just uploading the video manually, you would be doing 2 uploads instead of 1. For example, our editor would have to upload the video, send it to us, and then we would have to check it, and then we would have to upload that video to the social media platform. Now with Statusbrew, it's a lot easier because the way it works is our editors just have to upload the videos onto the social platform, the social management platform that Statusbrew is, and then our team will review the videos inside of Statusbrew. If there's any mistakes or anything that we need to change, then it's very easy because we can just leave a comment on the video on Statusbrew, and then our editors can go on Statusbrew and see what the mistakes were on that video, and then they can just make a revision to that video. Or if everything is good to go, we can just click approve on that video, and then the video will be automatically scheduled to be published to that specific page. Another key feature that Statusbrew has is they allow you to have multiple publishing schedules for the same page. For example, with Facebook Reels, we would have a different publishing schedule than normal long videos. So we need to keep 2 different publishing schedules for the same Facebook page. And none of the other platforms would offer this, and Statusbrew offers this, which is really good. Another thing that we were really needing into our company was like custom-made reports of the page's insights. So for example, at the end of each month, we have to report back to our creators and explain to them how their page is performing. And now we could pull the insights from the social media platform. A lot of platforms offer this, like YouTube has a studio, Facebook also offers this, but it's not very customizable. So we spoke with Statusbrew about bringing this on, like a way where we could just bring all of the insights of a page together and just remove all the insights that are non-important and just keep everything into one big report that would be like easy to read, and it would just give you all the key performances that you need to look at. Another key feature that we talked about was having a way to just export that report at the end of the month and to bring it onto our own website. So because in the past, we would be able to create a report on Statusbrew, and then we would be able to copy the URL and send it to our creators. But that doesn't look as great as if it's hosted on our own website. So we brought this idea up to them, and they thought it was great. So they've been working on implementing this, and now it's awesome because now we have a really easy and quick way to just implement the social media reports that we generate into our own website, which is great. I remember at the time it took us nearly 2 months just to find the ideal platform that would cover all of our needs. It was a very tedious and long process just to find that one perfect platform. I remember we tested a lot of platforms. And when we finally found Statusbrew, I can say that it was 99% perfect. Like the only thing at the time that was missing that we really needed was Facebook Reels. We couldn't post Facebook Reels on Statusbrew, but the good thing was that after speaking with the Statusbrew team, they quickly introduced that feature into the platform once we signed up. So that was really nice. And that's one of the things that we've been really happy about Statusbrew is like that we can closely work with their team, because if there's any feature that we need or any issue, they've always been glad to help us, and they've always introduced those features whenever we need those features. Also, another problem that we faced when we first signed up with Statusbrew was the upload times. It was taking us a lot of time to upload longer videos because we, like I said, we work with YouTubers, and some of our creators have long videos like 20-30 minutes plus. So it was taking us a lot of time. But I remember at the time I reached out to Statusbrew, and just in a matter of 2 days they fixed it. So everything has been great. The support from Statusbrew has been great, and I don't think any of the other social media management platforms would offer this kind of support and closely work with us like Statusbrew has been doing. So that has been really nice.